With just days to go for the second phase of Lok Sabha polls on April 18th, an incident of brutal assault on doctors in Tripura has raised a big question on the safety of doctors. Trouble began when a surgeon was beaten up by family members of a patient after she died in the Indira Gandhi Memorial Hospital's labour room in the wee hours of Friday. Alleging medical negligence, the family members of the deceased attacked the doctor. The surgeon, Dipankar Devnath, was beaten up till he fell unconscious and was then admitted to the Govind Vallabh Pant Medical College and Hospital in the city with serious injuries but is out of danger now. Protesting against the incident, doctors and staff of government hospitals in Tripura have threatened to resign en masse, demanding action against the people who beat up the surgeon. According to police, the 25-year-old pregnant woman was admitted to the hospital late Thursday night, following which she died of a cardiac arrest at around 2 a.m. on Friday. In a show of solidarity with the doctors, Tripura Health Minister Sudeep Roy Burman surrendered his security detail to protest against the sporadic attacks on doctors and other medical staff in the state's hospitals. In a letter to Chief Minister Biplab Deb, Sudeep Roy Burman said that the government doctors and other health staff feel insecure working at government hospital. He further said that such incidents of crime within hospital premises are on the rise and requested the Chief Minister to ensure all criminals behind such inhuman and barbaric acts for the last 1 year are taken to the task. Speaking to the media, Burman said that he stands rock solid by the side of the doctors and endorse their demands.
ডাক্তারবাবুদের উপর হামলা হুজ্জুতি মারধর এই সমস্ত ঘটনা সাথে যারাই জড়িত তাদেরকে ইমিডিয়েটলি অ্যারেস্ট করা উচিত। আমি দাবি জানাচ্ছি তাদেরকে অ্যারেস্ট করতে, এই আসামিদের গ্রেপ্তার করা এবং ডাক্তারদের নিরাপত্তা প্রদান করা হাসপাতালগুলোতে। If this is not done, obviously doctors have got every right, the association has got every right তাদের সিদ্ধান্ত নেওয়া এবং ডাক্তার বলে যে সিদ্ধান্ত নেবেন। Being a minister, I'll be standing beside the doctor like a solid rock.
Meanwhile, the Hospital Doctors Association have raised concerns over the health minister mulling to give up his security cover and asked him to reconsider his plans.
বিশেষত ডাক্তার দীপঙ্কর দেবনাথের উপর যে বর্বরচিত আক্রমণ হয়েছে, তাকে খুন করতে চেষ্টা করা হয়েছে, তার প্রতিবাদে আমরা আন্দোলন চালিয়ে যাচ্ছি আপনাদের পাশে নিয়ে। মাননীয় স্বাস্থ্যমন্ত্রী আমাদের সুরক্ষার দাবিতে প্রতীকী হিসেবে ওনার ব্যক্তিগত দেহরক্ষী প্রত্যাহার করার কথা ঘোষণা করেছেন। আমরা ওনাকে ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন করছি এবং ওনাকে সাধুবাদ জানাই আমাদের প্রতি এই ওনার সহমর্মিতা প্রকাশ করার জন্য। কিন্তু পাশাপাশি আমরা ওনার কাছে আবেদন রাখবো ওনার নিরাপত্তা যাতে বিঘ্নিত না হয়, ওনার সুরক্ষার জন্য উনি যাতে ওনার ব্যক্তিগত দেহরক্ষী ফিরিয়ে নেন, কারণ আমরা ওনার সুরক্ষার জন্য আমরা চিন্তিত।
Tripura Law Minister Ratanlal Nath said the government has taken all the necessary steps against the offenders, some of whom were detained immediately. He further said that Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev has also appealed to the doctors and medical staff to rethink their decision of resigning from their respective posts.
Our government, after getting the information, immediate taken some steps. Case already registered and accused person detained. Our government, our Chief Minister, very much interested in this matter and already appealed, and I myself also as a law minister appeal to the all doctors, all associations, please withdraw your that is what is demand. Our government, our Chief Minister already narrated all these things.
Meanwhile, Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev also reacted strongly against the incident and promised that strong action would be taken against the accused and appealed to the doctors not to close chambers or the outpatient department at the hospital.
ত্রিপুরার কয়েকটি হসপিটালে ডাক্তারদের উপরে আক্রমণ সংঘটিত হয়েছে, যেটা অত্যন্ত নিন্দনীয়। ল অ্যান্ড অর্ডার হাতে নেওয়া সেটা এ সরকার কোনো মতে বরদাস্ত করবে না।
Tripura had seen pre-poll violence and incidents of violence were also reported on April 11th, the first phase of polling for the Tripura West seat. The big question now, will the security of doctors and also common people and political workers become a poll issue? Will those responsible for such acts of violence be booked? When will the authorities act? With inputs from Pinaki Das and Sudeep Nath from Agartala and Zahir Akram in Guwahati, this is Pooja Mishra for Northeast Live.